Hello, I'm Jen from Noting Grace, and today I'd like to show you how to paint your pre-painted fireplace using Romabio Masonry paint or Biodomus 1 and 2. Step 1. Dilution. In a separate mixing bucket, individually dilute the primer and masonry paint by 20 to 30%, or 200 to 300 milliliters for every 1 liter of product. Using a paddle drill or stir stick, mix thoroughly for 3 to 5 minutes until there is no standing water. You want to make sure that the paint feels consistent and there are no large clumps. Step 2. Prime. After you dilute the primer, clean off your masonry surface and remove any dirt or debris. Now you can apply the primer just like any traditional paint. Please allow 8 hours for the primer to dry before applying masonry paint. If the mineral primer or masonry paint gets on any surfaces not meant to be painted, remove them immediately using a mild acid like vinegar or muriatic acid. Step 3. Paint. Apply the masonry paint as a top finish coat over the primed surface. Don't worry about making sure the brick is perfectly covered. You can worry about that on the second coat. You can touch up any missed spots at any time. You can use a small brush to touch up any grout lines you may have missed. Once you finish applying the first coat, wait at least 4 to 8 hours before applying the second coat. After the second coat is applied, clean up any messes. Now you can relax, pull up a chair, and enjoy your beautiful new fireplace.